Here's exactly how to make 2025 the best year of your life. Number one is overcoming every single trauma that you've ever been through. I don't care if it's a breakup. I don't care if it's physical abuse, sexual abuse. Doesn't matter, okay? You have to overcome that self because, check this out, when you start going for your goals and start trying to achieve more things in life, you are going to self-sabotage yourself, whether it be comparison, whether it be thinking you're not good enough. That's a big one. So you really have to dial in your traumas. You have to understand them. If you have to, bro, go talk to a therapist. Go talk to a coach that does things like this. Because you sitting here and holding on to all this pain and all this suffering isn't doing you any good. It obviously hasn't done you any good ever since you were a kid. Ever since it happened, ever since now. It hasn't done you any good. So you have to overcome that self. You have to overcome you if you want to become the best you, okay? It is very simple. It is easier said than done, of course. But go talk to somebody about it. Go overcome these traumas. I don't care how bad it is. We've all gone through our fair shares of pain, our fair shares of suffering. We all have traumas. But you have to sit with yourself and understand these traumas and overcome them. Because you holding on to them doesn't do a damn thing, okay? So this brings me to my second point, is setting a big goal for the year. So I always say set small goals so you could build momentum. Yes, of course. But you have to be very specific on what you want. If you want to lose 20 pounds, you are going to lose 20 pounds because you have to be specific about it. If you want to gain 20 pounds, you have to be specific about it. If you want to get 15,000 steps every single day, all 2024, be specific about your goals. And this goes for health, wealth, and relationships. Those three, okay? So if you want to start the business and focus on making your first $1,000. That's it. No 10K a month, no 15K a month, no online guru garbage. Focus on figuring out what your big goals are so you can work on these goals today. I would say start now. Get into the new year on a good start running. That's it. All you have to do is get one big goal and see the bigger picture of your life and see what your life would look like if you accomplished this goal. This is what's going to keep you motivated, is the end result and the work. If you're only focusing on the end result, let me tell you, not good. You have to focus on the work that you are putting in to get to that end result. That's the fun part. The fun part isn't the result. The fun part is the work that you continuously put in, okay? So now, number 3, if you're not already, get in the damn gym. If you have fucking big ass titties and a big ass gut, what are you doing? You are not taking care of yourself, so nobody is going to take you serious. Sorry to say it. You have to get in the gym. You have to lose weight. You have to put on size. And I'm not saying to be some big ass bodybuilder. Of course not. Be functional in your everyday life. Think of what your kids would look up to if you took care of yourself. Think of all the people around you, what they would think of you if you took care of yourself. Okay? And this is a very simple aspect. It's eating clean and getting in the damn gym. My huge goal is to hit 220 lean. Maybe not next year, but that's my big goal. Okay? So you have to be specific on what you want, but get in the fucking gym, bro. Like, I cannot stress this enough. If you're not working out already, you're way behind. I'm sorry. You're way behind. And any physical activity is perfect. Perfectly fine. You go for a hike, you go for a walk, go for a run, go for a bike ride, go swim, go to the gym. There's a bunch of things that you could do that aren't around the gym. If you don't want to go to the gym, go for a goddamn walk. You being fat in 2025 is crazy shit. So you have to figure that out for yourself. Now, I think this is 3. 3? Okay. Smell good. It doesn't get simpler than this. Take care of your gosh darn hygiene. Put a gosh darn cologne on, put some deodorant on, take a shower, brush your teeth, scrape your tongue. You're good. You're good to go. Stop going outside all musty and crusty and dusty. If you guys are complaining about why you guys can't talk to girls, because you're not confident, because you are self-conscious about the way you smell, by the way you look, your hygiene. Fix it. The only person that could do anything is you. If you are going to sit here and make excuses all 2025, that is totally up to you. Oh, well, the cologne is too expensive. Go and buy some cheap shit. But go and buy some quality cheap shit. Club de Nuit. Perfect. I have 3, check this out. Hold on. I have 3 budget colognes. And they smell phenomenal. Boom. 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 They all smell great. So I don't want to hear the damn excuse that you can't smell good because it's too expensive. Or you can't buy the clean bar of soap because it's too expensive. It's $5, bro. If you're really fucking bitching about $5, you need to make more money. And that's on my next point. Is 6, 5? I don't remember. Anyway, make more damn money. If you are sick and tired of your job, figure out something else to do on the side. It could be washing people's trash cans. It could be painting on the curbs. Just figure something out to make more money. If you are complaining about your situation, you are in charge of your situation. People don't understand this. And this is why they stay the same forever and ever and ever, and they're in the same loop. So that's really simple. Just go make more money. Whether it's picking up another job, being a dishwasher at a damn restaurant or a server, go and make more money. Go get a sales job at a dealership. Go and get your real estate license. Go and do something. If you are complaining about your situation, go and fix it. All of these things that I am giving you is sauce, of course. Because who would I be if I'm not giving you sauce? But you have to damn act on it, man. You sitting here doing all this garbage, doing all this bullshit all the time? Brother, you're going to be in the same place forever. And then you're saying 2025 is your year. You're not going to do shit about it. Okay? So this brings me to my next point is making sure your relationships are nurtured. Friends, family, girlfriend, boyfriend. Okay? Care about the people around you. Care about the people who care for you. Give back to the people who care for you, who have done so much for you, who have supported you, and who have given to you. Especially your parents. If your parents have done back-breaking work to support you, you have to help them too. It's not hard, man. You want to be the best version of yourself, but you want to be the best version in yourself. And the way to do this is compassion. Saying good morning to a random person on the street. Making it a habit of every single day talking to at least 6 people. So that means you have to get off your fat ass and go walk around and go talk to people. Or go to the grocery store and go talk to people. Go to the gym and go talk to people. That relationships are extremely important if you want to win. I'm telling you right now. And it's not even about family. It's not even about friends. It's who you meet in the process. Because I truly believe that your family that you make is more important than the family that made you. Just saying. So, I mean, it is really easy, man. Go and use 2025 as a year to finally break free. Finally do the things that you've been wanting to do for the last, 20 years of your life. However old you are. Make it a habit to become the best version of yourself. Because if not, like I said, nobody's going to do it for you. So you guys really just have to dial in. This year is your year. And I truly believe in every single one of you guys. I love every single one of you guys. And I want to see you guys win. I don't want to see you guys doing the same shit. Being average. Because that's not what we're here for, bro. We're here to live extraordinary lives. Okay? So now, next point. Read the damn book. Read the damn book. I don't care if you say that you don't have time, fucking make time. Stop watching social media when you get home from work or wake up earlier. That's a big one. And read. If you expand your knowledge, you will be able to have more wisdom. For example, making money, relationships, the gym. Reading is literally the greatest tool ever invented. It is all of the greatest minds, not in one book, but in singular books. All of the greatest minds in business and health, in stoicism, philosophy, psychology, anything you want. The greatest minds have written books and literally have given you a roadmap on how to do things. Make it a habit to read every single day. Every single day. Notice how I didn't say ice bath one time. Notice how I didn't say anything else. These are the things that are going to make you great. I'm telling you right now. The resilience that you build from reading, going to the gym, keeping up with your hygiene, talking to people, and fixing your emotional traumas and setting big goals, it's crazy. You will be unstoppable by 2026. If you act on every single thing that I told you today. And I know like some of the things are, oh, that's not that big of a deal. Go somewhere in public and smell like shit. See what happens. Stop going to the gym. Let go of yourself. See what happens. Stop making more money and then you can't support your family. Stop trying to build relationships and then you have nobody to talk to. Stop trying to fix your traumas and then you're living with your traumas your whole life. All of these things are actionable steps. Take fucking action and your life will change. Boom. That damn simple. That simple. So I hope you guys have a beautiful fucking day. Lock in today. We're going to win. Nathan Brooks is out. Boom.